Hey everyone, so I just wanted to do a quick video here showing how to update the OSSC using really any operating system, so like macOS, Windows, Linux. This should work on any of those three. However, I specifically am going to do Linux because, yeah, I really like Linux. It works on older computers. And yeah, this is also on a CRT monitor, so yeah, pretty cool. But anyway, you're going to want to go to this website, and I'll leave a link to this in the description. Um, and then you're just going to want to choose the latest firmware, most likely. I guess you could choose one of these older ones. So, like if you have a really old OSSC with non-audio, then you might need to do this. If you also have an older one that hasn't been modified, then you might need this one. However, if you have a newer OSSC, so like version 1.8 or above, then you don't need to modify it, and you can just choose this V1 series. Yeah, so I actually have like a version 1.6 or 7, but I have modified mine. So I'm going to be choosing this V1 series. But anyway, I am going to be going in here. So these are the latest firmwares. And then I'm just going to choose the one down here, the latest one. I've already downloaded it, but I'll download it again just for showing, I guess. But anyway, then once that's downloaded, I recommend going into your disk app if you're using Linux or Windows. I think you can just right click on the SD card that you have plugged into your computer and then format it. And macOS, I think, is similar to Linux where they have like a disk app that you format stuff. But anyway, I've already formatted this drive, but just to show you, I'm just going to do it again. So first I push this stop button to like have it stop being read by the computer. And then you click on these three dots up here, and then it's format disk. And again, this may change depending on what distro of Linux you're on. But the point is though is that you just want to choose the most like compatible format for everything. It's kind of an older, so MBR DOS format. Yeah, just choose that and just say format. And then yeah, that's pretty quick. And then once this plus appears, then you click on this, and then you're just going to create a partition. I'm just going to call it OSSC. Yeah, just like that. And then you just want to make sure that you choose this for all systems and devices, like whatever is FAT. If it says FAT or FAT32, that's definitely the one you're going to want to choose just to make sure it's completely compatible. So then just say create, give it a second here to think about it. And there you go. Then once you see that that's done, then once you open up your file explorer, and you can see you have your OSSC SD card here. Okay, and then I suggest using this Balena Etcher software because yeah, this works on macOS, Linux, and Windows, so should work on whichever of those three operating systems you're on. So I'm just going to click on download Etcher here, and you can see the different operating systems. So yeah, if you're using an older Mac that's based off of the Intel software, you choose that. Windows, there's only one. If you have a newer Mac like the M1 or they have M2 yet? I don't remember. You might want to do that. And then you got Linux 64-bit. This is what I'm going to use. Probably this is what you'll use on Linux. If you have an older one, 32-bit, you probably already know what you have, so you'll know that you need that. Anyway, I'm just going to download this one. Okay, and then once that's downloaded, then you should have this. In my case, it's a zip file. Yeah, depending on your operating system, it may not be. But anyway, I'm just going to unzip this. Just double click on it, extract. Yep, looks good, extract. Cool, and then show the files. Okay, so then, yeah, we can delete this old zip folder. Okay, and then you're gonna wanna go in here, and then right here, this is actually for the program. These are all the program files. But yeah, this is actually to run it, so just gonna double click that. Okay, there you go. Okay, then you're gonna wanna choose flash from file, and then you're gonna wanna go to your OSSC.bin file that you downloaded. I'm going to say open. Now this software is usually meant for flashing ISO files for like boot up disks and stuff like that. So yeah, but anyway, it's going to give you this warning. Just say continue. Okay, and then select target. And one thing I like about this Balena Etcher is that it kind of like it can already like auto detect you can see that you have a SD card plugged in or a USB stick. And so, yeah, it's pretty safe. However, you can be unsafe. You can see it said show one hidden. Don't choose this one. This is your hard drive. You do not want to overwrite your hard drive with the OSSC firmware. So anyway, I would say I'm just going to click cancel. Then I would say just don't do the show one hidden. Just do your generic storage device you named. I know made mine OSSC, so make sure you don't overwrite your hard drive. Yeah. Okay, that's pretty. And then there you go. Got your all that set up, and then just click on flash, and then I'll have to put in my password. Okay, there you go. And then yeah, it's pretty quick. It's a pretty small file. There you go, flash complete. Okay, and then yeah, just go ahead and plug your SD card back in. I still have my OSSC partially disassembled because I just did the mod on this OSSC. So yeah, just make sure those pins are facing upward if you saw I put that in. But yeah, anyway. Okay, so then go ahead and turn on your OSSC. All right, and then yeah, you can see it turn on in the Sony HD CRT back there as well. Yeah, and then you just want to go ahead and click on the menu button on your OSSC remote. Yeah, and then yeah, you can see there's the on-screen menu. I don't know if older OSSC versions had that or not, but anyway, there's also a on-screen, or there's a little screen here that you can also see everything. Anyway, you're just going to want to keep on pushing this down button until you get to settings options. So yeah, setting options, and you're going to click OK on that. And then you're going to want to push down, keep on going down until you see firmware update. Okay, there we go, firmware update, FW update. Okay, and now it's scanning data, as you can see. And then yeah, then you see it says update, press 1 or Y. I'm going to push that, and then you just give it a second to update here. Verifying flash. And then yeah, pretty quick. Firmware updated, please restart. So I'm just going to turn this off and then turn it back on. And there you have it, all updated. Oh, and I should also mention that after updating, if you can turn it on and it appears to be unresponsive, like when you push buttons on the remote, like just this green light flashes, but you can't get into the menu or change the input or anything, then you might need to reprogram your remote. And check out this video linked above to find out how to do that. So anyway, that is how you update the OSSC. So thanks for watching, everyone. Let me know if you have any questions. If you can, like, subscribe, comment, that'd be great. We're coming up to 1,000 subscribers. And yeah, check out my other content. I have a lot of random stuff like this. I do videos on CRTs as well. Yeah, thanks for watching, everyone. We will talk to you later.